Midjourney, the company best known for AI image and video generation tools, has decided to get into astrology. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The company has announced it's purchasing CoStar, a popular astrology app, and bringing on its CEO Banu Guler as its new Chief Design Officer. The app will still be under Guler's complete control, but now with Midjourney's resources behind it. In a post on X, Guler described the acquisition as a natural extension of her friendship with Midjourney founder David Holz and their shared belief that computers can be tools that reveal our humanity to ourselves. Tools that show you what you mean, how you feel, what you're imagining before you can articulate it yourself. And that fits the introspective nature of an astrology app, but seems like a weird match for the kind of things Midjourney actually makes money selling. Then again, the company's been trying to expand beyond just being a builder and licensor of AI tools. In June, Midjourney announced it was developing a full-body ultrasonic scanner and launching a new division called Midjourney Health to build it. Guler writes the CoStar has reached 35% of young people in the US with tens of millions of app downloads, and the app's younger users may be the hardest audience to sell CoStar's acquisition to. According to a Gallup survey from April 2026, people born between 1997 and 2012 continue to use generative AI regularly, but have grown increasingly negative towards it. Gallup says Gen Zers' strong agreement that they feel excited about AI has dropped to 22%, while hopefulness has fallen to 18%, and anger has increased to 31%. It's left to see if Midjourney's generative AI can make CoStar any better or not. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.